guys, it will be snowing. They predict that weather will be colder, so it's like a 29 Fahrenheit -3 Celsius, and we have a first snow flakes coming down. So yeah, today we're gonna talk about the color grading, D-Log footage from DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Image quality from DJI Osmo 5 Pro is much better when you are using D-Log. So we're gonna do this, but first I have to find the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro because I lost it somewhere, and I think that's gonna be in my Alfie. So let's dig in. I'm scared to go over there. No, I'm joking. I'm a big guy. I gotta survive. Did I scare you? Boy, Alfie. Guys, I love this car. It's phenomenal. It's just so beautiful. It's so pleasant to drive. I gotta buy a second one. Literally, I gotta buy a second one. This sports seats. Such a comfy, sporty stuff. Here it is. This is like a soft shell made bucket for my light, but I'm using it to hold the camera in, and I can actually, just hang it on my belt or somewhere. It's really a comfortable thing. I never use this to keep the lights in, but I'm using this all the time, and I have a second one for my action cameras. What's up, guys? How's it going? I hope everything is going fine with you. So as I said, I'm gonna show you how to grade this footage from DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and we have two options to do this. I didn't find the best way to automatically grade it. We have some software, but either you have to upload them to the cloud, to their cloud, so you have to upload the whole data, or you have to download the software is paid, so subscription, all that stuff. So I want to keep it cheap for you in a way that you don't have to pay for it, and kind of grade this very, very quickly. So we have two options. And this first option is going to be super simple. First option, you're going to be using grading using your phone. And second option is actually this, what I'm doing mostly, grading this on my laptop. So we have the two options, and both those options are actually free. So this is the best one. I didn't want you to spend any dime on it. Some AI tools are right now are free, so you can technically do this, but they are actually kind of mentioned that in the future they're going to be paid version of it. So Adobe is going to switch to paid version, so we're gonna stick with free forever options. Two options. First is gonna be mobile option to do this, and second option will be mobile, and second option we will be using a desktop itself. So let's jump into something that is very simple. Let me start recording very quickly here, guys, because quick record. So first thing, you can grade your footage, color grade your footage if you record it using D-Log. Amazon, it's Turkey, so, and Black Friday, so just literally everywhere I got these messages about discounts like crazy, literally what is going on. -11 today. What? Celsius, not the Fahrenheit. That's gonna be cold, and it's snowing. Snowing. Cool. To color grade on your phone, so you have to go to the DJI to download the software Mimo, and DJI have it on the page. You can just look for this on your phone, DJI Download Center, DJI Mimo app, but you have to download this on your phone, because this is only working on your phone. You cannot use it on the desktop at all. Installing this is gonna have some questions. You cannot find DJI Mimo app on the Apple Store, or probably they have some problems with the Allah and everything that is going on under China and American thing right now, so you have to download this from their website. You have to also, because Android and iPhone probably they're gonna ask you for permission to do this, so you have to give this permission, and then you are connecting. This is gonna show you, Mimo app gonna show you very easy how to connect this to the device itself. So after you connect it, you're gonna have this screen. This is connected, so we have connected those two devices, right? DJI Action 5 Pro, and we have a DJI Mini app here on the phone. We are clicking the album. In the album we have the footage. I already downloaded this footage. To edit those images, we are going to one tab. We are choosing those files from the gallery that we download. We are loading this file. When you get to the editing process, we are going to filter. You have the function that is called color recovery. As literally putting the look to your D-Log footage, we are choosing the Osmo Action series. We are clicking D-Log, and as you saw, we have a nicely graded image, and we have an export, and that's basically it. Super simple, super easy. When you export it, you have this in your phone, so it's like literally, you know, a magic. You are literally download the footage right away from the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to your phone, graded, exported. So you have this, you know, ungraded and graded footage. You can export it to your social media if you like to post something, because I know that a lot of people are doing this way. They are posting very quickly everything what they record on social media, so you have that option. Okay, but what to do, because you have this footage on your phone, right? So it's a struggle to connect always those old devices to the MacBooks, Microsoft and all that stuff. So the easiest way from my perspective, I found something on the internet that is called local send, and I think is one of the best tools ever. Literally what you have to do, you are downloading the this software, this application. You can find it on Google App, and you are installing this automatically connect both of these devices by using Wi-Fi. So it's not like using your Wi-Fi data, but it's going to use Wi-Fi to transfer those files that you have in your gallery to the computer itself. So it's very easy, very simple. So you can use local send, and I think it's fantastic. It's also free, so you know, everything free here. The second option is something also free, and I think from my perspective is the better option, because I'm like editing and doing all the vlogs and everything using or videos for my commercial. So what you can do to grade this footage on your desktop, the best software right now on the market is DaVinci Resolve. And DaVinci Resolve, it's a free version, it's paid version, and a free version. This is one of the top software ever. And I think it's just fantastic. I'm super happy that we have the option to have this free version and paid version. It was always this way for how long I remember, so I don't think that the free version will disappear. So if not, just download it right away, but I don't think so. It always was this way. So yeah, we have this free option. You are downloading this, you are installing this, and we have to download look from somewhere, and we need to have this a lot, right? Lookup table. So we need to have this look that will be applied to the footage from our DJI. So we have to download this look from somewhere, and DJI actually, like all manufacturers, they are having like a cameras that record the logs footage. They always provide you like a lot to this camera, so you can just download and use it and grade the footage later on your software. You have to just Google it, Google like DJI D-Log LUT, and it's gonna transfer you to the website where you have this all informations about LUT that they have, and you have to look for DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So after we downloading this and we have installed DaVinci Resolve, what we have to do, we have to go, we have a DaVinci, right? So what we have to do right now, we have to literally go to project settings. From the project settings, we have to go and find the folder where you have to drop this file, right? We download this file, right? And we have to drop this file into the folder that DaVinci is sourcing this LUTs from. And yeah, it's going to apply this light later on in the grading process. So I already have it here. I created like a folder, DJI Action 5 Pro, and I have this a lot from the website, right? Downloaded. It's here. I drop it here inside it. I know it's everything looking super complicated, but you're not gonna use too much over here. You literally, what you have to do, in your case, when you're gonna do some stuff, this is gonna be empty. This top part is gonna be super empty, so you are just dropping the images here. This what you have captured by DJI. You're gonna have one D-Log to grade, because I just want to show you very quickly how this should be done. So in the DaVinci you can actually create like a video, combine the clips and create like a video, right, from the clips that you have. Very nice and easy. But also you can like grade each of these clips and export it separately. So here we didn't have this option to, you know, grade separate clips, but in DaVinci we do have this option. Actually, this is one of the software that is the easiest to learn the basics and just, you know, do stuff very quickly. So imagine that we have this footage right now, right? We drop already the LUT to the folder. We are going to colors. And in those colors, on the left side, we have a LUTs. You see this? We are toggling the LUTs. We have LUTs. We are choosing the folder where the LUT is. We have other DJI options here, but here we have our DJI Action 5 Pro D-Log profile, not profile, but LUT. When you, as you see already, when I move the arrow above this LUT, is going to show me right away the image that is graded, but it's not graded, it's just showing me how it's going to look like. And what we have to do here at the very bottom, we have this all clips that we put into the timeline that you saw before. So those are these clips here, all 4. We're not going to use this one, but these 3, those are ours to grade. We have those files here, and all we have to do right now, all those settings that you see around are assigned just to these files. And here we have this grading, they call it node, that you like dropping the all information about gradings, right? So we want to grade it automatically. We downloaded this a lot from the DJI, and we are just dropping this into our file. And this is basically it. We have graded file. Super simple, right? If you want to copy this, you are just clicking Control or Command C. We are going to the next file, Control File, or you can like with the Shift take all of those files. You are giving Control File, and that's basically color grade all your footage right away. To export it, we are going to delivery. So this rocket at the very end. So here we have our export. Of course, you have to decide what kind of resolution. This was recording 4K, so we have to choose 4K. And what we're gonna do right now, if you want to record the whole clip, so for example, you have this, we have to go back. If you have this as a one file, right? So you wanna, for example, you have a few clips to export. What you have to do, you have to mark from where to where we should render the image. So in this case, we are using E and O. E and O for you, start and finish, start and finish, start and finish, right? And we are going to delivery. And as you see, you have the mark here. You can actually mark this also in the delivery panel. So this is the footage we're gonna render. So we are just adding this to the render. You have to click this little button on the left side. You have it here as a task right now, render core. This is the last one. You just click render and you have this whole clip rendered for you, right? So in the case that you don't want to have all those clips together, right? You want those clips to be separated. What you have to do, we have those separators here on the timeline, right? We are going, because you have to go right now to deliver, and we have to do the same thing, but separate it to each of these clips. We are clicking E and O. We are adding this to the queue, right? We are going to the next one, I and O. Adding this to the render core. I have to replace it because I already had those clips at the top. And to the next one, E and O. Add to the render core. It's adding to the render core, right? You see them over here. And this last 3 clips right now, those are separate clips. This was the whole clip that we have, right, before, and these 3 are those separate clips from the timeline. So now when we're gonna click render, it's gonna render separately all those clips, and it's gonna give you 3 clips separated, not like a 1 clip, but 3 clips separated. So if this is complicated for you, I think the mobile option is the best option for you. You just download the stuff like Mimo app, right? You download the image here, you do like a 1-click export, and that's basically it. And you are using local send to just send it to your laptop, and it's just, you can share it out, so you can do whatever you want to. It's super simple, super useful. But if you want to do it a little bit more, it's not like a pro, but maybe if you want to edit those images a little bit, blend together, DaVinci Resolve Studio is the way to go. I think it's the best software ever. It's super stable, super fast. And as you see, you have to put a little bit more effort, but it's still nothing into like real color grading and doing the stuff here. In the DaVinci Resolve, you are just doing a small thing, right? You are just dropping the files. First, you have to download the LUT, right? As I showed you before from DJI. Drop this LUT into the folder. Then you're dropping the clips into the DaVinci Media Center. Then you are dropping to timeline, either you creating like a video or separate video. You're going to colors. In those colors, you are dropping this LUT very quickly to each of them, or just dropping to one, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, copy to other clips, going to delivery, export, and that's also super simple. At least for me, it cannot be simpler. Of course, you can have like other options. You can grade a little bit differently. You can create extra LUT and all this stuff. You can do this, but this is the simple, like a basic beginner and the fastest way to do all those things. So I'm not gonna extend this video too much. This is exactly, in my opinion, the best and the fastest way, at least for now, how you can grade those images from DJI. And I'm doing this both ways, right? I'm doing this on my phone and I'm doing this here, and it's like, really, if you're gonna used to this, it's gonna be super easy for you. So it's nothing like complicated. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it. I was talking like, I don't know, 7-8 minutes more, so I'm gonna cut it short right now here. Just wanna say thank you for watching. Stay with me, like and subscribe will be nice. And if you wanna appreciate this, what I'm doing, just go below. You have a links to LUTs and you know, all links that I was talking about during the whole vlog. And also you have equipment that I'm using, so you can support me by clicking and buying something. So if you can do this, it will be very nice. And that's basically it for today. Stay with me guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.